Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rav, and today I'm here with a new video to show you something that I got as a gift, and I got it yesterday. And it is this. This is the Louis Vuitton, and this is the belt. And I got it as a gift, and yes, and my dad actually got it for me when he went to India. And this, I've never got a Louis Vuitton item from India before, and I don't know whether any of you guys have actually seen a Louis Vuitton item that's from India before, but let's get to the unboxing. Now, this is not real, it's actually a replica, but let's see what it looks like. So you open the box, and as you can see, it's an old packaging with the brown box and the brown writing there. Inside it comes in a beige box, and it comes in this very light bag here. Take it out, and it comes wrapped in plastic. Let's take off the plastic. There you go. Take all that plastic off. And now, so much plastic on here. There, all that plastic's off. Now you can see it in all its glory. It's not too bad actually, to be honest with you. It's in the gold buckle with the gold LV. You can see it looks really good actually. All the LVs, the flowers, looks really good. The look and feel of the belt is really strong, it's sturdy, it's thick. It's not cheap, it's not plasticky. It's very good. It's made really good. The quality of the belt is good. The way that it's constructed looks good. The craftsmanship looks good on it too, and the materials used is very good too on it. At the back you have the Louis Vuitton writing there on the back of the LV buckle there. And I'm a size 42, which is 105 centimeters. Also on the back of the belt you have the Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France, the heat stamp, which could be better because I've seen other replica belts that look, the heat stamp is really good. This one's slightly a little bit off. You can see the L, it doesn't look good, the L, or the whole writing actually. That's what that is there. The stitching on the back of the belt is quite good, really good, nice stitching. You can see there. Stitching is good from top to bottom of the belt. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 belt loops. And I think you can make some more holes if you wish. But yeah, it's very good, it's very hard, it's very sturdy. It's not cheap, it's not plasticky, it's not flimsy. It's a really good belt here. And as you know, I love Louis. I love Louis belts, I love Louis items, I love Louis Vuitton bags, and just everything to do with Louis Vuitton. I absolutely love it. And here now you can see the belt when you close it. And this is in the monogram, in the signature LV, and it comes in like damier, the damier canvas. It comes, I have a couple of damier belts too, which if you haven't seen on my channel, you can just browse through my channel and you can see the other unboxings and reviews that I've done on the Louis Vuitton belts. So you can just feel free to check them out on my channel. Yeah, I think it looks wonderful, it looks great. Okay, so I'm going to leave it here. Let me know if you have a Louis Vuitton belt. Let me know what other brands of belts that you like to wear and use. But with me, Louis is my favorite. It's my favorite luxury designer brand. And yeah. Alright, so thank you for watching today, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to, if you have any questions, put it down below in the comment section, and I'll definitely get back to you. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, like this video if you liked it, share it with your friends, whatever, and hit that bell notification, because when I upload, then you'll be notified. Okay, so thanks so much, take care, bye.